So the Synapse Life Science competition, which we've run now for 7 years, was unfortunately turned into a virtual event as a result of COVID.
Hello, everybody. It's great to have you here for the 7th annual Synapse competition.
What we did in a matter of weeks, and really it was the team at Innovation Factory.
Jennifer stood up this site very quickly, literally with like a week and a half's notice, recorded everybody on Zoom.
My name is Daniel Boardnave, and I'm the founder of Biceps
Innovations.
Paradox Immunotherapeutics.
You know, tweak the site to have chats and stuff like that in it.
And interaction with both the presenters, the companies that were pitching.
My question immediately went to the future as it relates to artificial intelligence.
We have a poster competition that's usually around the atrium of McMaster Innovation Park, and we get some really high quality people who are investors or people that would be potential partners looking at that stuff.
Hi everyone, and thanks for visiting our poster link today.
So in the end, we got 5 times as much traffic as we normally get to the site.
We went from 150 people to 500 people being able to participate. And so that was sort of an example of the ingenuity and creativity of the Hamilton community. Certainly going forward, our expectation is a lot of things are going to become virtual. And in fact, Innovation Factory continues to lead in this respect.
And now for our first place winner today. The winner goes to Biceps. Congratulations.
I want to say thank you to all our judges, Jennifer, John, and then also Synapse and the Innovation Factory.